D-Fend Solutions recognized for advancements in cyber and RF effects. Booz Allen Hamilton's recent research report, Top 10 Emerging Technologies for DoD and National Security, highlights non-kinetic counter-unmanned aircraft systems, CUAS, as a crucial technology for defense and intelligence sectors. D-Fend Solutions, a leader in RF and cyber-based counter-drone takeover technology, has been named an emerging innovator within this category. The report emphasizes the necessity for the Department of Defense, DoD, to adopt technologies that can enhance mission effectiveness despite budget constraints. Non-Kinetic C-UAS technology, identified as one of the top 10 emerging technologies, offers significant potential in this regard. Emerging innovators were selected based on several criteria, including technical merit, leadership, commercial traction, investor support, and U.S. government engagement. Cyber Takeover, a distinct effector technology within non-kinetic C-UAS, is highlighted as vital for countering commercial off-the-shelf COTS UAS systems. Key applications include base protection, mobile air defense, and crowd protection. These systems are expected to become more mobile and operationally feasible, as seen in D-Fend Solutions EnforceAir2. We are honored by our selection as an emerging innovator in the context of Booz Allen Hamilton's designation of non-kinetic counter-UAS as a top emerging technology for defending against evolving UAS threats, said Zohar Halachmi, Chairman and CEO of D-Fend Solutions. Following thousands of successful worldwide deployments, in the most challenging real-life scenarios and for the most demanding end users, this recognition further validates our RF cyber takeover technology's unique ability to bring control, safety, and continuity to complex military environments. At D-Fend Solutions, we're dedicated to delivering situational awareness, operational continuity, and safe controlled outcomes. The Booz Allen Hamilton report describes emerging innovators as organizations that are at the forefront of their fields and are ideal partners for defense customers. D-Fend Solutions stands out for its advanced RF cyber capabilities and its potential to revolutionize both commercial and military systems. The report was created by Booz Allen's Tech Scouting team, part of the Chief Technology Office, CDO, which tracks early-stage technologies and non-traditional partners that could transform public sector missions. Tech Scouting serves as a trusted advisor to U.S. government clients and supports Booz Allen's venture capital arm, Booz Allen Ventures.